Hello and welcome to First Saturday Art. The prompt that I'm going to go for is the 29 faces. I'll list in the description the other prompts. I think it's Valentine's hearts, Cupid's feathers, chocolate, 29 faces. So the 29 faces, I love drawing faces. So that's the one that I'm going to use, and I'm working on this. It's like brown wrapping paper that I've turned into a journal, and I've got loads of different things in it, and I wanted to, and loads of pages that need doing. And so these pages have developed because extra paint on my brush, and I don't want to waste it, so might as well prep another page. So I hope you visit all of the other artists in the video hop, and I hope you play around with us and check out each prompt that everybody does, and maybe even, you know, try it yourself. So you can do, for the 29 faces, is any face every day for the month of February, and Realityarts is the organizer. Yeah, so I'm challenging myself in another way as well, because I want to do a face not similar to the ones that I've been recently doing. I love using the ink, and as I say that, I'm thinking, oh, I want to use the ink, and I'm just going to try and do it differently and see where I end up. And what I first want to do is just not only mute this slightly, but because it's got it's a metallic paint, and I might have trouble with some of the supplies. I'm going to try and keep the supplies to a minimum, and I'm just using, I've got a graphite, soluble graphite, got my gesso, and so we're going to have a play around and see what figure emerges from this here. Okay, so I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you again soon.